Welcome students, welcome to Money Mantra Academy. Here we are going to discuss about our course, that is CDM, Certified Derivative Masters. Now here in this course we would be covering the topics and the lectures which we have included into our training program. But before that we would like to introduce our company. We are a company established in 2003 in the name of Money Mantra, and since our incorporation we have been giving services to our clients, mainly to our corporate clients, and we have been in past conducting the webinars and seminars and also providing corporate clients this our services. And since our inception our main focus has always been the client satisfaction. Now this is one of the major aspect of, and this is one of our core area to focus. And what we have been, and we have a training centers in different cities. So here in this our option course outline, we would be giving you the idea about what is our course about and how one can benefit from this course. So what is Certified Derivative Master? It's a program focus on basic as well as on advanced trading strategies and learn how one can easily control risk and generate income with options. So our course is internationally recognized and can help even the retail traders to benefit from the course. So the course structure is designed by our industry expert with more focus on practical learning. Now here in this options course you will learn the trading techniques, which is how market operators in the market manipulate the trading game for this retailer psychology in the concept of buying and selling. Now this course CDM will take you to another learning platform, and further it add value addition into a trading style, and it will also make you self-dependent and self-reliant whenever you are going to trade in the market in the terms of options. So further the course will help you in getting the jobs also in broking industry. So the course will help you in getting or establishing your career in this finance industry or this broking industry, as it will act as a boost in your career in finance. So this Certified Derivative Master is a short-term course. So besides certification training, this training also involves practical training in derivatives, softwares for creating trading strategies, and also the industry overview and the discussion about what are the important aspects we should cover into our derivatives before we get into a trade. Now this is the course structure. The course structure which we are going to cover here in this our CDM program. This course is basically designed into three categories, that is introductory level, intermediate level, and advanced level. In introductory level there is two modules, that is concept of derivative trading, and the module 2 is introduction to the option market. The detailing we would cover explaining you in a while. In the module or in the intermediate level, that is the second level. In the second level we are having the three modules, that is option tool analysis, trading strategies for future, importance of derivative indicators. And in advanced level there are two modules, that is option trading strategies and advanced trading strategies. So let's move on to the detailing of all these modules. Now in this module 1, our introductory class, here in this module 1 we would be covering these important or the basic things like what is future contract, what is the benefit of the future contract, and what is the basics of options, what is volatility, what is the use of or role of volatility, like what is the implied volatility, what is historical volatility, and how volatility can be calculated, and how we are going to learn the concept of volatility for our intraday trading and for our positional trading, and why we have to use volatility in options, and what is the role of volatility in options. Now why we have to use options. Now few important option terminologies like strike price, how to calculate premium, and how to calculate the value of call and put. So at the end of this module 1 there would be a summary and the conclusion, and then at the end of this module there would be a quiz, and the access of the quiz you will get from your login portal, which we assign to our every student. And then it would be a module 2. So each module would be taking some around 90 minutes or so, depending upon the time duration or depending upon the speed of the class. And then the module 2, again it would be some further introduction to the option market, like what is the moneyness in the option value, now what is time value, how over concept of Greek option, importance and the further like options, like what is delta, what is theta, then overall how these things affect our option pricing and how we should focus on all these aspects of the for our trading. But then the concept of option trading, now what is the difference between exercise and square off, what is the benefits for option writing, why most of the smart traders always go for a short sell in options, not they go for a long, making a long position. Now what is the impact of cost of carry, what is the impact of negative cost of carry, and what is the impact of positive cost of carry, how this is going to affect or how this is going to affect into our trading in identifying the trends of the market. Like then future strategies, like there are seven or eight future trading strategies through which we can get a consistent return. So everything has been covered in this our module 2. So in module 3, and this module 3, 4, 5 also comes into our intermediate level, that is also a level 2. So in this course lecture, this module 3, like the topic is option tools for analysis. Here in this topic we are going to cover open interest and volume, like important questions about open interest, like is increased open interest bullish, what is open interest, difference between volume and open interest, effect of volume and open interest, how volume and open interest affects our trading and how it affects our buying and selling decision, how it helps us in identifying the trend of the market. Then what is put call ratio, like what are the important numbers we should keep in mind while trading on the basis of put call ratio, and how it tells us that when is the market is overbought and when is the market is oversold, how it determines the trend of the market, like what happens when excess people are more involved in trading into put, or when the people are more involved in trading into calls. So how, what are the concept of trend identification and trend reversal and candlesticks. The last two topic here we have introduced as some part of technical analysis also for our intraday or positional trading. So on the basis of these things we are going to cover how we should actually read the numbers, or how we should able to understand what is the change in open interest and how it is going to affect our trading. So everything about options or everything about open interest we are going to learn from this module. Now the module 4 would be the trading strategies. Here in this trading strategies we will learn important trading concept of futures, like how we should make a strategy on the basis of future trading on with the help of option or cash, like how we should trade arbitrage, what are the benefits of arbitrage, how we can get a consistent return if you have some capital of 10 lakh or 20 lakh or 5 lakh. On the investment of that kind of capital you can easily get some 2 to 3% of assured return on monthly basis. So what are the benefits of hedging, how we can do the hedging. Further, calendar spread, bullish spread and bearish spread, calendar diagonal spread, neutral calendar spread, reverse diagonal calendar spread. So what these are the future trading strategies which we are going to cover here in this module. Then at the end of module 4 there would be a practical exercise. In fact, at the end of every module there would be a quiz session and there would be a assignments. So you all have to go to a login access area. There you would be you will have to submit your question answers on their login panel. So everything about your trading strategies, whatever you have learned, the question at the end of the session will help you brush up your knowledge and help you understanding in a better way. And along with that, if you are facing some kind of difficulty on your right hand side, there would be also ask the teacher column where you can get the assistance online also. So this was about our module 4. On module 5, what is the importance of derivative indicators, like how we should identify open interest in PCR for identifying the trend, how to find out option data for identifying the support and resistance, like what is the role of change in open interest in intraday, and then what is the role of open interest for our positional trading. Now what is the role of identifying the support and resistance, like where is the what is the range of the market, like how we should find out the option pane, like where is the market is likely to going to expire in this expiry. So everything about option derivatives we are going to cover here in this module, that is intermediate level. Then few trading strategies: long straddle, short straddle, long straddle, long strangle, short strangle. When we have to apply these kind of strategies, when is we should, how much profit we can get by applying these kind of strategies, what are the stocks which are, in which stocks we should apply these kind of strategies, like scenarios in which we can apply in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty, when we can apply these kind of strategies. So everything about basically the numbers game, which everything about the market is been displayed on the NSE website. We just have to go there and fetch the data which is relevant to us. So we will help you all in understanding how we should make these numbers count for our trading. So this was about our intermediate level. So after the intermediate level, you would be able to learn like how you can definitely improve your trading system. You would be able to learn how to create your own trading strategy and how effectively you can get a return on your investment by focusing on the things which we generally help you in making the strategies. So everything about this module 2, or we can say this level 2, help you in a better way in seeing the market totally on with a different angle, like how operators or the big players generally manipulate the market with their number games. So with all the time you would be in the FI's direction, or you will be in the DI's direction, like the way they trade, you will be in their platform, like in which side FIs are making position, or in which side DIs are making the position. So you would be able to learn from the NSE website like what are the important data we should look into for our trading. Now this is our advanced level. Here in this advanced level, or in this lecture, we are going to give you, or we are going to cover further more options trading strategies like strap, collar, butterfly spread, type of butterfly spread, like long call butterfly, short call butterfly, short put, long iron, reverse butterfly. Then there is also condor, iron condor spread strategies. So everything about option trading strategies we are going to cover here in this. So in which market conditions we should apply, and what should be the Nifty range, or what should be the stock range while applying these strategies, like what are the important things which we have to look into whenever we are going to make these kind of strategies. Like then there would be a special strategies which we generally apply in all kind of market situation. These 4 strategies can be applied almost on every month or month on month basis. Like what is the Nifty strategy, what like positional Nifty trading strategy, then the expiry day strategy, like how we should trade on the expiry day in stock or in Nifty or in Bank Nifty. Then there would be a big event like how we should trade when there is a result announcement, or there is a corporate result announcement quarterly basis or annual basis, or whenever something big is going to happen, like how we should trade in those period. Then there is also expiry week strategy. Suppose today is Monday and this Thursday market is going to expire, so how we should apply and how we should trade on the basis of these kind of strategies. So everything about observing the market and making the strategies we are going to cover in this our derivative masters program, that is certified derivative masters program. Apart from it, we would be covering, or we would be giving the updation of the trading strategies into our blogs and forums. So this is not just only the course lectures which we have explained in here. You can also learn from us in a different ways through our forums, which on time to time we update those things into our blogs. These are accessible to only to our students. So these were the course lectures which we are going to cover here in this module or in this course. Now after the completion of the course, so these are the steps through which you can get the certification from our center. That is, first of all, at the end of every module, you have to submit the quizzes. You have to go to your login panel area. You have to submit the quizzes. Then after the submission of the quiz, you have to submit the assignments. Then you are eligible for the online exam. Then if you clear the exam, then only you will get the certification. So this is the process for obtaining the certificate from our center, that is from our institute. So after the completion of the certificate, you would be given as a certified derivative masters, and this certification is internationally recognized and the nationally recognized. You can apply on the basis of the certificate for your jobs, and we are also there to help you or assist you in getting the job interviews. Now, important question, like why a trader or why we should trade in the options. First of all, the most important concept of trading in option is that it's cost efficiency. So even if you have a very small capital, say suppose about 40,000 or 50,000, you can definitely get a decent return on the basis of your investment or on the basis of your trading strategy. You should not, or instead, in fact, you are not supposed to sit in the front of market every time or every day. So even for your, say suppose if you, even if you spend some an hour or so into options trading, you can get some 3 to 4% of return or monthly return. Or even if you are applying, if you have been totally into the market, like if you are a full-time dedicated into the market, then also you can get something 10 to 12% of regular return on the basis of your investment. So this is very important. Now I am saying 10 to 12% on a monthly basis. This does not mean that you should invest 50 lakh or 1 crore in the market. It has also a cap. Like suppose you can invest something around up to 10 lakh, then you can get something around 8 to 10% or 12% of monthly return on a regular basis. So there are techniques through which you can get the consistent return. Important thing is you should not be too much greedy to get everything in a single month. Further, there is a less risk involved in this option trading, because the only risk is that the amount you are investing into your trading, that is into a particular trade, that much you can risk in the options. So this is one of the most important benefit for trading in the options, and the higher percentage return is much better than in compared to when we compare about stock or commodity. So whenever we are trading into for our intraday, and whenever we purchase in the money call option, the return is relatively higher in terms of stocks. And because of the versatility of this option trading, there has been a higher percentage of involvement of more strategic benefits. Like we can make many trading strategies on the basis of our options tool, on the basis of calls and puts with the help of future and stocks. So there are many alternatives through which we can make some hedging tools, or on the basis of it we can get a regular return. So there are plenty of benefits for trading into the options. Now the course feature here covers, like we are having convenient online classes. Like we are basically we are providing two modes of training. Like one is distance learning program and another one is online webinar classes. So with the help of distance learning program, you will have the laptop or desktop through which you can get a 24/7 access to the online materials. So you can get, or you can learn anytime with your, according to your flexibility and the time availability you have. So whenever you have time, you can just go through the online classes and you can learn the things. So you don't have to wait actually for every, or for in a week or so that you can learn, or you can wait for the class. So whenever you free, you can just go and start your course. Then after the end of this every module, there is a course or there is a quiz. There are more than 200 quizzes, which on time to time we just keep on updating those quizzes. So with every module you would be able to improve your knowledge, and we will able to ascertain like how much you have learned and how much you have to practice and how much you have to improve. Then the course content is designed by our industry experts who are actually into the real trading and who have been trading into the market for decades. So a basic trader, what a trader actually needs, every requirement has been put into this course content, like how a trader should react before entering into the market. Then we have a dedicated support team. So whenever you are in doubt, you can easily reach to us through mails or through ticketing system or through phone calls or even through Yahoo Messengers. We are giving counseling to our students even during the online session. Like suppose if they have some doubt or if they are stuck in some kind of trade, at times we also provide Yahoo Messenger service to those students. Now the course fee is very affordable. The amount which you are investing in the course is itself can be returned, or itself can be it's a return on your investment even during the duration of the course. So even if you opt for a distance learning program or for the regular online webinar classes, so by the time you join the course, by the time you join the course, and you will learn those kind of trading strategies through which you can easily, in fact, get back your money, or you get back your fees which you have already paid to us. Then further, we provide the job assistance also. So we help in building or creating your resumes and forwarding the same to our concerned clients, so that you can get the multiple interview calls. So these are the benefits, or these are the main features for joining this our CDM course. So these were the few examples of how the last month trading calls were generated on the basis of our trading strategies which we have given to our December month students. So here, this is the result of, on the basis of one lot of Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever the trade we have generated on the basis of our trading strategy. So these profit looks small, but in fact you should understand, like, this is a profit based on the one lot of Nifty, and in fact we go for a longer period, and if we consistently work towards in this direction, then definitely we can get some decent return on with the help of our trading strategies. So this course will also benefit to the students who have a very small capital and who want to manage their capital. Like, even if you have a small capital of, say, suppose 30,000, 40,000, you can effectively trade in the stock with decent return. I'm not giving a very superficial numbers like 1000% return or 300 or 100% return. That is actually not true in the market. So if you just be practical and if you be reasonable with the market, you will definitely get a very decent return of 10 to 12% on the monthly basis. So these are the few important things which we are going to cover in this course. Like, you would be able to learn the delta neutral trading strategies, in which we generally explain how the theta factor works with the help of our trading strategies. You would be able to create your own trading rules and trading strategies at the end of this module 3 with the help of your by keeping your mind your capital investment and your risk trading strategies. What is the importance of volatility and volatility based trading strategies? You would be able to learn different calendar spread strategies. So all these things which we are going to make you understand will definitely help you in your trading career for a longer period of time. Now these are the few benefits, like we've already explained it to you. The course is excellent opportunity to undertake practical based training, because whatever the example and whatever the situation we create and make you understand the things in the real market sense, that our trainer have already been facing those kind of situation. That is why they give you those kind of practical examples to make trading strategies on the basis of those. Since we have been providing training to the corporate, so even the individual brokers who have been working as a RMs, or they are being associated with some kind of sub brokership or some kind of big brokers, they can definitely learn these kind of things, and they can improve their trading skills and hone your skills with the help of this course. And they can definitely benefit their individual clients, so that client would be retained to them for their longer perspective. Now, trading methodology we use here is, there would be a live session, not the recorded session, for the webinar students. Then there will be theoretical clarity about the new topics in hand. Like, suppose some new topic get introduced into the market, then we would able to discuss and we would explain to our students like how we should apply and how we should learn on the basis on those kind of new things into the market. Like, then there would be a forums and the blogs through which we can discuss and regular with different people at the same time. Then there would be also live trading sessions through which we can understand the concept of market and how we should interpret the data. And then there would be a forum in which many traders can instantly join the session, and they can discuss their trade. So all these things would be highly advanced, and most of the time you would be getting the support from our trainers or the traders. Further, the benefit is that you can also save time by would be a no traveling time. Like, suppose if somebody is in Kerala or somebody is in Tamil Nadu and the center is situated in Delhi, you don't have to come all the way to the Delhi or the Bombay or the Jaipur or Gujarat. You can just stay at your home, or just open your PC and you can learn it from anywhere, even while you are traveling or even while you are going somewhere. So this course is very easily, and you can also at the end of this session, suppose if you miss something, you will get the recorded session also through, and on the basis of which you can revise your session, or you can participate later on. So there is nothing you will actually miss even with your busy schedule time. Then this is the process of the registration of the CDM. Suppose if you go for the CDM program, what all you will get here in this module, in this course, like there will be a CD set, then there are tools and softwares and the ebook and the trading strategies which we would be providing. Then there will be printed books for the basic of option and certified option trading strategies with color diagrams to make you understand how these things work, and the technical analysis free softwares. And the payment option, for the payment detail you can definitely call to us, our customer support team or our accounts department. They can guide you how you should make the payment. So these are the banks here. For any billing related query, you can write a mail to us at this email ID. So this is the registration call. This is the number you can call if you have any kind of doubt. Now what all you will learn from this course is, like, you will be able to identify, you would be able to make the pair, like what are the important things we should keep in mind while making a pair trade. You would be able to learn the concept of option pain, like how option pain help us in identifying the expiry level. More stress on current market activity. We are more focused towards explaining you the current market scenario for better understanding. You would be able to learn the volatility based trading, how volatility can help us into our day trading or into our positional trading. Then you would be then we can focus on the market based trading strategy development. Then after that, even after the course completion of the course, you would be getting market hour. You would be getting twice a week on Yahoo support also during the market hours. So you would be getting the Yahoo Messenger ID of our trainers. They would be helping you in understanding the concept. Then for the distance learning program, they would be getting a 1-year online support. So these are the benefits you would be able to learn from our course. So one thing is very important, even after the completion of the course, our organization will definitely help you in understanding even for a future learnings also. So that would not be the total end. Even if you get the certification and even if you completed the course, we all always be together for the rest of our training program, for other training programs, by sharing our views through forums and the blogs. So there would be plenty of where there will be 360-degree of learning curve for all of us in a together way. So that was all about our CDM course. Hope to see you soon in our webinar or through our distance mode learning program. So that was all about us. Thank you.